Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the color of your Tesla Cybertruck. Since the Cybertruck comes in its distinctive stainless steel finish from the factory, customizing its color requires aftermarket solutions. We will explore popular methods like vinyl wraps and colored paint protection films, which not only transform its appearance, but also add a protective layer to its unique exoskeleton. Vinyl wraps are a popular and versatile choice, offering hundreds of colors and finishes like matte or satin. Professional installation usually ranges from $4,000 to $8,000, depending on the material and complexity. This method is reversible, allowing you to change your Cybertruck's look without permanent alteration, while also providing a protective shield against minor damage. For superior protection alongside color change, consider colored paint protection film, or PPF. This thicker film, often 8mm, offers excellent defense against rock chips, scratches, and UV rays, with some even featuring self-healing properties. Professional installation generally costs between $4,000 and $6,000, providing both a new aesthetic and significant long-term exterior safeguarding. When deciding, consider professional installation for the best results, especially given the Cybertruck's unique angles. After wrapping, proper care is crucial. Always hand wash your vehicle with mild soap and avoid harsh chemicals or automatic car washes. Regularly check the wrap's edges for any signs of lifting to maintain its pristine appearance and ensure its durability for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.